What if the future of warfare could be decided by unmanned machines? What if technology could spare human soldiers from the battlefield? A provocative thought, isn't it? In the not-too-distant future, the face of warfare could be drastically reshaped by the advent of unmanned aircraft and smart military vehicles. These aren't just lifeless pieces of machinery. Infused with artificial intelligence, they are capable of performing complex tasks such as reconnaissance, delivery of armaments, and even self-defense. These machines promise to revolutionize the battlefield, enabling military operations in the most hazardous environments while minimizing the risk to human life. It's a brave new world we're stepping into, one where technology not only enhances our capabilities but also safeguards our most precious resource, human lives. But what are the implications of such a seismic shift? How will our world change when machines take the helm in warfare? As we delve into the history of these machines, ponder upon their potential impact on the world of tomorrow. From the first use of drones in war to the latest AI-driven military vehicles, the evolution of unmanned machinery in warfare is a riveting tale. Let's start from the beginning. The early uses of drones in warfare were quite simple, designed for reconnaissance and surveillance. They were essentially unmanned balloons, equipped with cameras, used during the World Wars. These basic drones were the first step in reducing the risk to human life in warfare. The next major development came with the advent of remotely piloted vehicles. These machines, controlled by operators from a distance, brought a new level of precision and safety. They were used extensively for tasks such as bomb disposal and scouting, reducing the need for soldiers to be physically present in dangerous situations. However, the true game-changer arrived with the dawn of artificial intelligence. As technology advanced, so did the capabilities of unmanned machinery. The introduction of AI-driven military vehicles marked the beginning of a new era in warfare. These smart vehicles, equipped with advanced sensors and autonomous systems, can perform complex tasks such as reconnaissance, armaments, and self-defense. A key milestone in this journey was the development of autonomous drones capable of making their own decisions based on the data they collected. These drones can identify targets, decide on the best course of action, and even defend themselves without human intervention. This level of autonomy was previously unthinkable, but now it's a reality. The latest in this evolution is the development of fully autonomous ground vehicles. These smart machines can navigate complex terrains, detect threats, and even engage in combat, all without a human at the controls. This technology has the potential to revolutionize warfare, minimizing the risk to human soldiers and increasing operational efficiency. So, we see the journey of unmanned machinery in warfare has been a testament to human ingenuity. But what does this mean for the future? The evolution of unmanned aircraft and smart military vehicles is not just a technical journey, but a narrative of how warfare may change in the future. This evolution paints a picture of a battlefield where machines, guided by artificial intelligence, take the front lines. These unmanned machines, capable of reconnaissance, armament deployment, and self-defense tasks, represent a significant stride towards safeguarding our military personnel from the immediate hazards of warfare. The potential benefits are immense. From increased operational capabilities in hazardous environments to the minimization of risk to human life, the future of warfare appears to be shifting towards a more automated landscape. However, it's also crucial to remember that these technologies come with their own set of risks and ethical considerations. As we stand on the brink of a new era in warfare, the role of unmanned machinery becomes ever more significant. Keep pondering, keep questioning, for the future is as much ours to shape as it is to predict.